It's Yash Mukash here, and now we are going to see how to create a 3D model of minimalistic drill like this in Fusion 360 software using 3D commands which you have seen earlier. So let's get started. So I have already created a drill machine. This is what I created. So basically, I have used majorly the extrude command over here, like to create this cylinder, this grab handle, and this button, and these cylindrical mountings with the drill bit. So after that, what I did, I copy paste this drill machine over here, and I give them a color, red and blue, and then I did a rendering part in the rendering workspace. So that's it. So let's get started. So first of all, we will start with the main cylindrical body. So for that, first you have to create a sketch. I'm going to select this plane. Okay. Then create a circle like this. I'm going to give it a 100 mm dimension and then finish this sketch. After that, select this profile and then go to the extrude command. I'm going to rotate it a little bit to better view and then drag it just like this. Okay, drag it. Okay, and a little bit. Yeah, that's it. Then hit OK. Once you done it, now we have created this cylindrical body. Okay, now we will do. So now we have created this cylindrical main body. Now we will create this grab handle, and for that you can see this is little bit at angle. So what we will do, we will create a body and then join it. So for that, first you have to select this plane. Okay, then create a circle. You can get reference of this center point and then you can create a circle like this. You have to draw a circle of 95 mm, then hit enter, then finish this sketch and select this profile and then just drag it like this. Now if you can see, this is cutting this cylinder. We don't want that, so what we will do, we will change the operation over here in this dialog box of extrude. So right now the operation is cut, so we will change it into the new body and then we will drag it little bit like this and then hit OK. Now in the browser, if you can see, if you drop down this body section, we have two bodies. Okay, now I have selected this one. Just right click in your canvas and select the move command and rotate it little bit like this and place it over here. Okay, we like something, yeah, this is good, then hit OK. So basically what we have done, we have created a body similar to like this. Okay, so this is a basic overview. Now we will do the detailing. For that, what you have to do, first join these two body, and for that you have to go to the modify tab. You will find this combine option here, or you can click here for the shortcut and then select these two bodies and then hit OK. If you see the change, now these two body are combined together and create a one new body. Now we will add some fillet at this edge, and for that you have to go to the modify tab and select the fillet command and give a fillet like this. I'm giving 12 mm, no, 10 mm fillet and then hit enter on your keyboard. For now, I will do similar fillet over here at the bottom of the grab handle of 5 mm. Okay, that's better. Now what I will do, I will create some chamfer over here at these two edges. So go to the modify tab and select chamfer, or you can uh, click on your keyboard and you can create a shortcut for that also. So I'm going to add some chamfer over here like this and then hit OK. If you can compare these two designs, okay, so what we have done, we have created first a cylindrical body, then grab handle, and we combine these two bodies, then give a fillet over here, and then added a chamfer at the end of this cylinder. Okay, now what we will do, we will add these two mountings and then add a drill bit, and for that you have to select this plane first, then create a sketch on it, select a circle, select the center point and draw a circle of 55 mm, then finish the sketch. You can give dimension according to your need. I'm just giving the dimension on the aesthetic way. So then hit E on your keyboard for extrude and extrude it little bit. This is too far. Okay, 5 mm is good. You can see the operation is joined now. That means this body will combine with this original body. We don't want that, so we will change the operation to the new body. We want a new body, new part there. Then I'll hit OK again. Again select this face and create one more circle which is little bit smaller than previous one. Select this profile, then extrude it again, something like this. Okay, again you can see the operation is joined. We will change it to the new body and then hit OK. So basically we have created a mount and we need a mounting part over here. So for that I'll again create a polygon. Just go here and click here and create a little polygon like this and add a circle to it. Finish this sketch and create extrude of this profile like this and then create a new body operation and then hit OK. Okay, so you can see these are the very sharp corners. We don't want that, so we will add little fillet. For that you can hit F on your keyboard, or you can go here in the modify tab and then hit fillet and give some fillet to these corners just like this, and then you can hit OK. These are the sharp corners as well, so we will add little bit fillet over here like this and give 5 mm of radius and then hit OK. Now you can see we have done basically these main bodies. Now we will add this drill bit, and for that you don't have to create it, you can add it from this library. In the insert tab you will see this is the insert Mac master car components option. Just click on it and it will open a library. You have to connect to your internet for that and then just type here. You can see this is the standard library, standard parts available, nut and bolts and every industrial part. So what we will do, we will type here a drill bit, okay, like this. Select any option. We are just creating a model, so we don't need any specific bit. We will scale it down, select a bit, and here you can see there is an option called 3D SolidWorks. Just click on it and select 3D step and download it. Wait for a moment, it will add here. If you can see, this is a very small bit. We want something bigger, so just click OK, zoom it little bit and go to the modify tab, and here is the option called scale. We will scale this component like this. You can drag, you can see this is a box. This is the multiplication of the original dimension, so I think this is more than enough. Then we will hit OK. I will select this face. You can see this is a very extended bit over here. We will reduce it down. For that hit E, activate the extrude command, and you can cut it down like this and then hit OK again. Now we want to fit this part into this hole. Okay, for that you need similar diameter. Go to the inspect tab and select this circle. You can see this is a 13.14 diameter, and this is about like proper radius, proper circle, and you can see this is the 10.3 diameter. So what I'll do, I'll go to the modify tab, select the scale command again, and here type 13.14 divided by 10.3, and then it will match to that circle. So now we want to place this to this point. For that you have to join these two bodies. So go here in assembly tab and hit here on the joint command. After that select this circle face and then this circle. So you can see the drill bit is inside the machine. We don't want that. Just go here in a joint window, and here is the option called flip. Just flip it and grab this arrow and just slide it like this and then hit OK. If you can see over here at the top, the is called untitled. That means we haven't saved it. Please save the design, otherwise you will lose if the software is crashed. And for that you have to go here, or you can hit Ctrl+S on your keyboard and give the title drill machine and give the location in the data panel. I have created this project, this file, and then save here. Now you can see the name is changed. Drill machine V0 means version 0. Now what we'll do, so if you see, we have created this cylinder body, then handle, these mounting points, and drill bit. The last two things are these buttons and this back panel where are the controls are exist. So let's start with that. First hit F and active fillet command and give some fillet over here. It will look good when we do the rendering part. I will let you know how to do that. So just give 2 of fillet and then hit OK. Now we will create a button over here, and for that you have to select this plane first. Select the middle plane and then draw shape using line command, just like this. Okay, I'm extending this line little bit, and then you can click here and here. Now you can randomly draw the lines inside the machine. Doesn't matter, we are just looking the modeling techniques which we can achieve by using the 3D command. So for now just hit finish command, select this profile and hit extrude, activate the extrude command. Now we will extend this little bit, and you can see this is cutting this profile, and the direction is one side. We will change this to the symmetric and change the operation to the new body. Okay, that's good. Now we will finish this operation and select this center line and then hit F on your keyboard and then give just fillet like this. We need it very smooth. After that again hit the fillet command, give the fillet over here similar to like that. Just create a fillet over here also, it will look good, and then hit OK. Now just hit M to move this, get the right view, and just slide it down like that, so to the upside. Okay, and then hit OK. Now we have created the button as well, -2. Oh, okay, now it's good, and then hit enter. You can see these are the two bodies. We want a slot here. For that go to the combine option, select this body, okay, target body, and then select tool body like this, and then change the operation to the cut and activate this keep tool operation and then hit OK. Now you can see we have created a slot over here. Go to the fillet option and select this edge and add a little bit fillet over there like this. Again, this is the button. We don't want it to cut the finger of user, so it has to be very soft at the corner. So add a fillet over there also, like 2 fillet, I guess. Yes, then hit OK. Now we have created a drill machine. We just need a charging point here. Suppose it's have C-type charger. So create a sketch over here and go to the create option in the sketch workspace and create a slot like this. Get a reference point and create a slot like this. Okay, this is supposed to be a C-type charger, and just extrude it and cut the slot. Go to the modify tab and select a chamfer and select this edge and add a little chamfer over there like this. Yeah, that's it. Now you can see we have created a model almost similar to like this. Now we will design this part at the last. So for that you have to select this face and create a sketch on it. Create a circle over here like this, then finish the sketch, select this profile and cut it down little bit like this. Yeah, -8 will be fine, and then hit OK. Now again select this face, create a circle, something like this. Just do not create a circle similar to that this circle. Just give a dimension so that we can see the difference here. Finish the sketch, select this profile and again extrude it to this face and create a new body and hit OK. Then again add a fillet 0.2 mm again to this edge, 0.2 mm, that's good, and for this edge also 0.2 mm. Now we will add a control system over here. For that you just have to create a circle again like this. We have used circle most of the time and extrude command and created a drill machine. So majorly the extrude command is used. So for that you have to keep practicing and you will get to know how it works, what is its behavior, and on that basis you can improve your techniques. So it's all about techniques. I will click here, escape and finish the sketch and then extrude this circle till here 8 mm and then join this, then hit F to add a fillet like this, and again I want to add outer fillet to these lines and create a fillet like this. You can see this is we have cut it very far, so I don't want that. So just select this face and hit Q and drag it like this. Okay, so that's it. Again we want to add control points over here, so select this face, go to the sketch and create a circle, something like this, to add indicator, and then we will add arrow. We will create an arrow, and for that you need rectangle, center point rectangle. Just get a reference of this center point and create arrow over here like this, then create a line. So this is how we have created a arrow at this top. You can create a circle, you can create a rectangle just like this, then hit T to trim these middle lines. Don't want that. Okay, then go to the fillet in the sketch command and add some fillet over here that it looks little cool. Yeah, we want it looks aesthetically good, and for that we are adding a fillet and then hit enter. Now draw a line from this point to this point. I'm telling you, I'll tell you why this add, and go to the mirror and select all the sketch and select this mirror line. So that's why we added this line, and then hit OK and finish the sketch. Select all these profile we have created like this, press Ctrl and then select, so that you can select multiple profiles. Then hit extrude and extrude it little bit and change the operation to the new body and then hit OK. Now you can see we have created a drill machine, minimalistic drill machine. Okay, so in the next tutorial we will do the rendering part so that it looks realistic. So that's it for this tutorial. See you in the next one, and thank you.